wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog of me taking you guys through my prep for a trip that I'm going to. So you guys have read the title, I'm going to Thailand with my friends and it's a really exciting vacation. I am gonna vlog it of course for you guys, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. But in today's video I'm just gonna be showing you everything that I've done to kind of prepare myself for it. I love watching like trip prep vlogs, so I wanted to make another one. I have made quite a few in the past as well, but har trip ka alag hi vibe hota hai, so I had to document it. So yeah, having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do today is I'm going to go take care of my hair, and I'm going to be going to the Envi salon to get a hair treatment done. So my personal hair care concern is dullness, dryness and lack of shine because of the color that I've gotten done, which is why I've been recommended by my hairdresser to get a L'Oreal Professionnel Serie Expert Vitamino hair care treatment done. And I also really love how the Serie Expert has such a wide range of products. So let's go and get smoother and shinier hair. So we've made it to the salon. I'm so excited. Let's go. Once I reached the salon, I had a consultation with my hairdresser and she recommended that I should go with the Vitamino color range, and we did exactly that. To cleanse, we used the Vitamino color shampoo on the roots and the ends of my hair, which was rinsed out. And then for the nourishment, we used the Vitamino color mask along with the serum. That was followed up with a really relaxing massage and a steam. In order to treat my hair, we used the Vitamino acidic sealer. We let that sit for 5 minutes, after which it was rinsed off. We used a little bit of serum, and to perfect the hair, we did a little bit of a blow dry. I think you guys can see it for yourself. Here's the before and here's the after. So soft and smooth. I'm back home and I haven't been able to stop touching my hair. Literally, it feels like how it used to feel before I got my hair colored. Very soft, very manageable, not frizzy finally. Overall, I had a great experience. I'm very happy with the way my hair looks and feels. I love the products that were used, and overall the hair treatment was also amazing. I'm gonna make sure to link all the details and the salon that I went to in the description box below in case you guys also want to try this out for yourself. So I placed an order on H&M and it has arrived and it is for you. I'm also a part of the video. Do the honors, please. That's mine, sorry. That's for me. Next.
This is nice. I like it.
It's a graphic tee. Aditya, graphic tees पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So मैंने सोचा.
Okay, nice. Good start. Okay.
What are your thoughts?
Mixed feelings.
अच्छा लगा black shorts के साथ.
Fast and furious. I can't give my honest review without trying it on.
Do you have this already?
No.
Someone has this. Mayur bhai has this.
I've seen this on someone's sofa.
Just shut up. Just shut up.
मेरे सोफा कवर है या पिलो कवर है?
चुप बैठ, पहन और अच्छा लगेगा.
किसी का सोफा पहन रहा हूँ मैं गाइस.
शॉर्ट्स पे भी अच्छा. हाँ, ब्लैक शॉर्ट्स पे सही लगेगा.
मैं did you get me चप्पल्स? अब भी लिया मैंने नाइकी का.
Aditya has floaters. नहीं, not floaters, sorry, slides. But you need चप्पल्स. Otherwise वो फालतू ब्लैक कलर के चप्पल पहन के घूमता है. और ब्राउन सब पे जाएगा.
Brown. Nude color. Wow, man! Thanks. Such a cute bag for me.
It's wide. Where it looks really good. हो ही नहीं रहे.
ओ भाई. भाई घुस ही नहीं रहा है.
बता कैसा लग रहा है?
डर लग रहा है और कुछ नहीं. लास्ट वाले करके guys, I have to go and
go to the sonar to get it cut. ये मेरा है.
Time pass. Overall a good haul other than this.
Outfit trials चल रहा है.
So I'm not looking like a sofa or a pillow cover, guys. It's actually looking good.
I hate the glasses, but okay. Okay, so आज का agenda is to go and buy a new camera. रात हो गई actually, so I just need to go and pick it up. So basically जो मेरा G7X है, I've been using it for at least 3 to 4 years now, and उसका focus खराब हो गया है, उसका flip screen भी खराब हो गई है, quality इतनी अच्छी नहीं रही. So anyway, it was time for upgrade, and what better time than before going on a trip. So let's go get the new camera. सही लग रहा है. I think looks good. We're also getting the mic. Looks really good. I just wish they had a white. They have a white, but it's not available here. So I'm back home, and this is what my camera looks like. This is the M50, Canon's M50, and I also got a mic along with it from the Canon store only. This attaches ऊपर ही. थोड़ा सा भारी है मेरे G7X के comparison में, but the quality of this is just amazing. So I don't mind it. ये कैमरा अनम के पास भी है and सारा के पास भी है, and both of them recommended me this camera. So yeah, I'm so excited to vlog my trip. So basically मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ मेरे सारे आउटफिट्स जो मैंने दिमाग में पुट टुगेदर किए थे. आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू ट्राई माई आउटफिट्स बिफोर आई गो. आई नो लिटिल बिट हाई मेंटेनेंस, बट इट जस्ट टेक्स अवे द स्ट्रेस. जब आप एक्चुअली ट्रिप पे हो, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट मैचिंग डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स. यू हैव एवरीथिंग प्लान्ड. एंड अनदर थिंग दैट आई लाइक टू डू इज आई लाइक टू टेक पिक्चर्स, लाइक मिरर सेल्फीज ऑफ एवरी आउटफिट दैट आई हैव पुट टुगेदर, लाइक राइट फ्रॉम बैग, शूज, एक्सेसरीज, सब कुछ पहन के मैं फोटो ले लेती हूँ. एंड देन वैसे ही मैं पैक करती हूँ सब कुछ साथ में, so that when I'm on the trip I'm prepared. And also I'm so sorry मैंने ये black and white में रखा है because I want you guys to see the outfits when I'm there. I don't want to reveal it yet. I hope you guys can understand. Just taking a small break from all the packing. Almost done, but थोड़ा सा बाकी है. I ordered some dahi rice, तड़का वाला dahi rice from a South Indian restaurant. My mom and dad are also traveling, so I don't have any lunch or dinner, and I want to keep it very light. मुझे बिल्कुल भी रिस्क नहीं लेना कि मेरा पेट खराब हो या कुछ भी हो. So having this. Okay, so we are done. Big suitcase has all of my clothes, swimsuits, makeup, toiletries. And then यहाँ पे I have all of my bags and shoes and accessories. I always do this. छोटे बैग में मैं सारे shoes, accessories वो सब डाल देती हूँ, and then बड़े बैग में कपड़े and all of that. I know, too much stuff. I know this, guys. Okay, so now that the most stressful and tedious calm is over, which was packing, I can now do other things which will not take that long, but I feel like I've shown that too many times, so I'm just gonna briefly go over them. So I need to do my feet. I'm gonna do like a cute pinky color. Then I need to do my hands. Again, I'm gonna go in the same pink family. I need to wax. There's someone coming in, so मेरा पूरा waxing हो जाएगा. And I need to wash my brushes. Okay, so रात हो गई है. Literally just a few hours to go before I have to leave. एक चीज़ बाकी रह गई है. I'm going out to go and get it done. Basically मेरा phone का जो scratch guard है वो completely फूट गया है. And I know if I drop it like one more time also, my actual screen will get cracked. So let's go get that. Also let's go get a new cover for my phone and few accessories if we can find that. फट से जाके ले आते हैं. तो finally new scratch guard is here. This was my old scratch guard. As you can see, too many cracks. I also got a new cover. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. Shit, thank God. मुझे लगा मैं अलग ही फोन का तो नहीं लेके आई. I do that quite a lot. Oh, looks so nice and बहुत अच्छा है. पकड़ने के लिए भी quite sleek है. So I also got these two accessories. I think I'm leaning more towards this one क्योंकि बड़ा है strap. Even though ये वाला ज़्यादा match हो रहा है. Okay, so done. This is what it looks like. Looks very cute. ये मैंने H&M से लिया in case you're interested. This is what I look like with the phone in my neck. एकदम ही टूरिस्ट लग रही हूँ मैं. मेरी मम्मी भी पहनती थी ऐसा पहले. हाँ, I do need it because I keep dropping my phone. I'm like still considering छोटा वाला लगाऊं कि बड़ा वाला. So this is the bag I'm carrying. I know you guys will ask. This is from H&M. I wanted to show you my 3 essentials other than like the obvious stuff like passport and all of that. My personal essentials, a neck pillow because I am a sleeper. I sleep on the flight and a neck pillow is a must. This is from Miniso. A pair of socks. ठंडी लगती है, especially feet पे, so एक fuzzy pair of socks मैं हमेशा carry करती हूँ. And lastly, we have an eye mask. I like to sleep, as I said earlier, and this just makes it even better. ये तीनों का combination is literally just for me to sleep nicely. And I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna make sure to link everything that I've spoken about in today's video in the description box below. Stay tuned for the vlogs that are coming, the shorts that are coming. Please follow me on my Instagram as well. There's gonna be a lot of content. I promise you that. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!